Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can get cute ballet shoes and dress to impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have joined dress to impress and I'm going to show you how we can get the cute ballet shoes. If you want to get the ballet shoes, you need to go to this menu. You need to buy Medoka set. You can click on this option and then you're going to click on this Madoka set. Okay, and you need to buy these shoes. I have bought the shoes, as you can see. I have already owned this Magic Girl shoes. Okay, and then to put the shoes on our model, we need to go to the dressing room here. Okay, and click on this menu and you can click on the shoe. Okay, then you can change the toggle, select this toggle and then select ballet. Okay, and this is how the cute ballet shoes looks like, and I'm going to change the color. For example, I'm going to change it to black. Okay, like this. And this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get cute ballet shoes on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!